27.5 of Beckers takes the lead, a commanding lead through the first circuit around the Autocross track here at Ottertail. The M01 goes into the wall with assistance from the 450 of Jordan as the 27.5 of Beckers pulls away from the field. He's put one car lap down, looking for a second victim here in the form of Bendixson. He goes around Bendixson. Beckers driving that machine like it's a 450 sprint car around this short track here in Ottertail. He puts Bendixson a second lap down. Beckers out front, and then the M01 and the 450 battling away for the second position as that 27.5 looks to try to lap the entire field halfway home. It's the 27.5 and the M01 first and second. As Josh Stock gets a mud bath. The M01 coming under fire from the 337 for second place. Those two cars remain on the lead lap. The 27.5 of Corey Beckers closing in on a Heat 1 victory with one lap to go. Bendixson and Beckers tie up, and Corey Beckers takes the checkered flag. The battle still continues for second. The M01 just has to get around the brick one more time. He will do so, and in second place will be Mike Gallmeyer. Beckers and Gallmeyer 1-2. In third is the 337 of Will Alex. That is heat number 1 of the Adult Autocross this afternoon.